How you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tinu, and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys that are currently subscribed that just click this thumbnail and are watching me again. I want to thank you guys for watching this crazy person over here. This was originally a makeup beauty channel, but my love for perfumes ever since COVID hit has reached an all-time high, and all I can do is talk about fragrances till I die. So today we're going to be talking about commodity. And we're going to talk about commodity in a big light. So they reached out to me and sent me the exploration kit. And they wanted me to try out a couple of their fragrances and maybe talk about it if I want to or whatnot. But I want to talk about it because I did post it on my community tab. And a couple of you guys were interested in seeing what they had to offer. I did pick 2 full-size fragrances that they sent to me. So I have, look at this, 15 of their fragrances, samples, okay? They sent this exploration kit. This kit retails, I believe, for $49 or $46, okay? This is how it looks like. And basically, they sent me 6 of their main line with the 3 different levels of powerfulness. I said powerfulness because it means they have the light version, the regular version, and the bold, which is like the top perfume concentration and the more, long-lasting one. You know what I mean? So I did smell a couple of them. I will talk about them, but I will put the notes on the side because this is 15 of them, and I literally don't want to be going through all the notes. You guys kind of can tell my favorites, okay? I will start with Moss. Moss is what I think I haven't really smelled that much. And they did include test strips for you. So this is kind of like a fragrance exploration kit so that you can kind of know what you want and then order the full size later. And all their fragrances are $145 a piece. So Moss for me is like a green, citrusy, kind of a grassy feel to it. It has some kind of bergamot. Very, very masculine. Even the name is masculine. Kind of feels like there's a grapefruit or bergamot smell to this. A little woody. Very, very, very citrusy. I think I actually don't mind this one. It looks like springtime vibes. So this is the light version. It's not the first one. It's the first one. The one in the white bottle. Let's try Moss Expressive. That's what they call it. Yeah. It's so hard to get out. Okay. I want to see the difference. Now, Moss Expressive has something spicy to it. I don't know what I'm smelling. Like a pink pepper. And then it has the same bergamot, kind of lemony vibe. Something woody about this. Now the wood is more prominent, like there is a cedar note in here. Or a teak wood. I don't know. I think I prefer this than the first one. But it's just not my type of fragrance. It's something I would love to smell on a man. Definitely my husband. When I'm done with this video, I'm going to give him all this. The ones that are masculine. He will like that. Not me. This one is really great for a man. And I think I would, I would love to smell that on my husband. He actually, I think, liked it. Because I did let him smell a couple. Now, let's try the bold version of Moss. Now the bold is going to be even more intense. It's going to have a couple of different notes as well. So the thing is that they change it up a little bit, but the DNA is still in there. And you just get a different vibe. Oh, now I like this one the most. Oh, yes. If I was to pick between the 3, Moss Bold this one is now a little more spicier. I don't know what they added in there. It smells like they added something else. Or they changed something else. This one kind of feels like there's saffron in here. I don't know, because I literally don't want to even look at a note. I'm going to try to interpret some of this. Oh God, this is so good. If I was into this, I think I would wear this. I think I would actually wear it, by the way. This Moss as Bold. I love this one. It's my favorite. The other two, I would never wear those ones. Nope. Now, we're going to move on to Paper. Now, Paper, I think out of the 6 different perfumes was my least favorite. Okay? I'm just letting you know, being honest. Okay? So now this is Paper Minus. That's what I'm going to call it. Paper Minus. Okay? Yeah. I think this is the one that has ISO E Super. No. Me no like. It is just smells like paper. Like literally. Like it's literal to the T. It smells like paper. And I don't want to smell like paper. So this one, I wouldn't even want my man to smell like this. Sorry. No. No. Bland. Like cotton balls. No. Okay. So this one's definitely a no. No for me. Let's try the Expressive Paper. Let's see what this one does. I can get with this. It's like sandalwood in ISO E Super. I don't know if it has some juniper berries or something in there. Something masculine. I think someone unisex. Somewhat unisex. It could be a female wearing this or a man. But mostly a man. Okay? This one, I actually like better. Okay? I don't like the first one, but I think I like this one better. It's not a love, but it's just a like. Now let's try the Paper Bold. Let's see what we got with this one. Okay. This one just smells like the other one. Now this one is a little more citrusy. I think they added some kind of citrus to it. A little amber, possibly. I think there's patchouli in this. I'm not 100% sure. But it does smell kind of citrus, green, fresh, spicy. It smells different from the second one, but it smells like they blended it from the second one. I don't like the paper at all, but if I was to pick one, I would pick the Bold. Now, my favorite one, you guys are going to know which one is my favorite, is the Milk. I would have picked Milk as an option to get as a full size because I only have the Bold, which is what I love. The Minus one, I don't like. It smells good, but it's not strong. It's very light. And you guys know I like strong fragrances, but this one is so light. I would wear this for a bedtime scent. It's not a hate, it's a like, not a love. Yeah, no, not this one. I think I might like the Expressive. Oh yes, I love this one. I should have just got the Expressive. This kind of reminds me of Blanche Bet. I'll tell you. It's similar to Blanche Bet than the Bold. Beautiful, sweet, gorgeous Milk. I love this one. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, the Expressive is amazing. Definitely gonna get this one. Now, the Milk Bold, of course you guys already know, spoiler alert, is my favorite. And I have a full-size bottle of this already. Why does it smell like this? It doesn't smell like my bottle. Ugh, I think it's the paper. The paper is making it smell off. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna put this on my skin. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. Out of everything. Yes. This is Marshmallow, Milk, Ambrette. Oh, gorgeousness, guys. This one is my favorite. Beast Mode will last for 10 hours plus. You guys need to get yourself some Milk. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And Commodity does have a sign-on coupon type of deal. I don't know if it's 10% or so, but they do have a welcome code. You can save some coins. Don't get it from Sephora because you can't save any coins right now, but this is my favorite. It smells so delicious and so yummy, gourmand. I love milk to death. The next one that I really love, and I should have gotten a full-size bottle because I actually broke my bottle that I owned, is Velvet. That is the next one I love, other than milk. And I'm so sad that I don't have it anymore. I don't even know why I got book. Yeah, I don't like Personal for Velvet. This one? No, I don't like this one for Velvet. No. I can't even smell it. It smells like paper. Oh yeah, I don't love this one. No, not for Velvet. I think the Velvet Bold was what I loved. This one is just it's too woody, too spicy. It's like a bunch of woods altogether, in my opinion. Now this one is much better. So Velvet this one is more violet powdery with a little bit of wood. I'm thinking of what kind of wood this is. This is more like chestnut, kind of. Yeah, it smells like by the fireplace, kind of. I don't understand. Yeah, that's what it smells like. It smells like by the fireplace. By the fireplace on steroids. I think the Bold was what I loved the most. I didn't run out of test strips. Oh, God. Yes. No, I love the Bold. Everything is dialed down. The woodiness is a little less. So that's probably why I like it. Because the other one smelled too masculine for me. Oh yes, I love the Bold for Velvet. I would wear this. Yes. Okay. Now we're moving to I don't know. This is my second favorite. Velvet is my third. Scratch that. Gold is bae. Gold is bae. When I say bae. Now, Gold Personal smells good too. All of them smell good. Gold Personal is a very light, clean, citrusy fragrance. It's a little creamy too. But it got some sandalwood, I believe, in this shenanigans. Yeah, I love the Personal as well for gold. The gold that I love the most is the Expressive. Oh my God, guys. Now I'm going to have to pull out my own test strips because I ran out of test strips. The Gold Expressive, guys. Creamy vanilla. There's something gourmand about this, but if you look at the notes, there is nothing really gourmand in the notes. This is such a beautiful, silky kind of fragrance. I feel like somebody that goes to church would wear this. Or a woman with a white dress. Something you wear for a wedding. If you're going to get married, I think this would be a great staple. Something to wear that will turn heads and will be sensual at the same time. I love this one. Yeah, definitely. I have a bottle of this and yeah, I love it. I didn't really like the Gold Bold for some odd reason. I didn't like it as much, okay? I don't know why, but I'm going to spray it now. Yeah, it smelled a kind of masculine. I think that's why I didn't like it. No, it's just not it. It doesn't smell like the Gold Expressive. I don't like this one. This one is too woody. The creaminess is not as much. And it's not as sweet. So, yeah. That's not my favorite at all. Now, let's try Book. Okay. That's going to be our final type of scent. I love Book Personal. It smells really good. Yeah. Very masculine. Not really super masculine. It smells like some Aqua de Jour for men kind of feel. Little citrusy. Like there's lavender in here. Oh yeah, I love this one. This one is really great. The Book Expressive is what I like the most out of this one. Yes. This is so good. Yeah. This one is the same as the Personal, but a little more stronger. A little bit more, you know how a man would smell, like a clean shaven man with a cologne. That's what it smells like. Like he put his aftershave on and all that good stuff. And deodorant. Smells like a man out of the shower. I love this one a lot, and I want my man to wear this. I think that's what I got, so I can give it to him, because he'll greatly enjoy that more than me. Yeah. I don't like this one as much as I like the Expressive. I think I may have gotten Bold, but who knows. My man could still wear it. He likes it. So, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys got a lot of value from this video. To all those that were interested in the commodity exploration set, I think it's a great deal because you're getting 15 fragrances to try, and you can kind of know your likes and dislikes before you actually purchase a full bottle. I will link a link to the exploration set so you guys can, if you're interested, you can purchase it. But yeah, I really think this is a good value because you can kind of try commodity for the first time if you haven't. And if you have and you want to get more fragrances, you can kind of get a lineup of what they have to offer and kind of figure out what you want to add to your collection or what you don't like. So, thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. And also don't forget to click the post notifications so you can be notified of a new content. Also, don't forget to let me know your fragrance of the day. My fragrance of the day happens to be BDK's Vanille Letter. So let me know what yours is so I can probably shop and buy it. Or maybe we can be sent twins. Who knows? Thank you guys again for your love and support. I love you guys, and I will see you in another video. Bye.